Right, it's the second week in January, and as you can see, this is a little cloche I made here. It's from plastic container, and underneath it is some purslane. And because it's been a bit sheltered, I've been harvesting this, and it's just helped enough to shelter it from the cold wind. And if you notice as well, the soil level is low down to protect it from the winds coming in from either side. And that's all you need. And rain obviously goes into this part here that's not covered, and the plants will pick up the moisture from there. Right, take care and bye.